Alright, 7.3, number 45. It says find the volume of solid generated by revolving the region in the first quadrant bounded by these two equations about the x-axis and about y equals 8. So they don't specify what technique to use here, so we'll try to figure out what might work best for us here. So y equals x cubed. And then y equals 4x, it's going to hit somewhere up here. It's not really drawn very symmetrically, but this is y equals 4x. And this is y equals x cubed. And we're going to go around the x-axis to begin with. So we could use either the shell method or the washer method. So if I use the washer method, that's my big R, and that's my little r. So washer style, it would be the integral pi big R squared minus little r squared. It would be dx from here to here. So let's find out where they intersect. So x cubed equals 4x, x cubed minus 4x equals 0. So they're going to intersect at 0, 2, and negative 2. Alright, so this point is 2, 8. If I plug 2 into either equation. Alright, so back to this one. We're integrating dx, so we're going from 0 to 2. And your big R is that y, which is just 4x. And your little r is this y, which is x cubed. And that'll get you the volume going around the x-axis. Okay, second part is y equals 8. It's going around y equals 8. So it's another horizontal. We can use washer again. And we're going to integrate with respect to x. I'll use green here. So we're going around y equals 8. Okay, so it's going to look like, there's my washer. That's one cross section of it. Your big R is this whole distance here. So let's see. Every time I draw the washer, it kind of ruins my pictures. But that's my big R. So it'll be something minus something. It'll be this total distance, which is 8, minus this y. Remember, we're integrating with respect to x, so it's integral of pi big R squared minus little r squared dx from 0 to 2. So it'll be this is my big R, so it'll be the whole minus this part, so it'd be 8 minus y, so it'd be 8 minus x cubed. And your little r is this whole part minus this y, so it's 8 minus whatever that y is right here. Well, that's 4x, so it'd be 8 minus 4x squared. So when you do the blue one, which is revolving around the x-axis, and the green one, which is revolving around the y-axis, it looks like from the picture that the volumes would be the same perhaps, but if you can imagine that if we're going around the x-axis here, so that means my shape is going to be like this, revolved around. And you can see that the inside of the bowl is going to be, you know, concave up, thinking of it that way, or concave down. And if we go around the y-axis here, the inside of the bowl is just going to be, you know, just like a cone. There's going to be a cone that's cut out of the bowl if we're revolving this around the y-axis. So even though it looks like there's some symmetry, the volumes are going to be a little bit different just based off of the shape and what your big and your little r are given each problem.